Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Some users found some issues after using iOS 16 for a day now. Everything is lagging. Don't be frustrated, it is too common to say. In today's video, I will show you some tips to fix if your iPhone is laggy or slow down after the iOS 16 updates. Method 1. Turn off background app. Background app refresh allow apps to update their content from the internet. It will use your internet and use your processor speed even while you are not using them. To do this, go to Settings app, tap on General, tap Background app refresh, then again tap Background app refresh, then turn off this button on it. Method 2. Turn on reduce motion. Open Settings app and search for reduce motion on the search bar. Click on it. Then turn on this button. This will effectively remove the animations from your device. Method 3. Manage iPhone storage. Sometimes storing too full can also make your iPhone run slow. Open Settings app, tap on General, find iPhone storage, click on it. You can see your iPhone storage here. If it is too full, simply delete some apps, media and pictures and free some space. Method 4. Reset all settings. If the above method not working, try to reset all settings. Open Settings app, tap on General, at bottom tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode, tap Reset all settings. Next, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.